Okay, so it's been a couple of weeks since the last clean with me. Now it's time to clean the whole main desk area. The shelves and everything have stayed relatively clean. It's kind of tiny little bit cluttered, but that's because I've just done my non-makeup inventory and I had to move things about a bit. But on the whole, still pretty tidy. So now I'm gonna tidy all of this bit, and I've got some extra baskets to help me do that. First of all, I'm gonna just move this stuff over so that I've got an extra bit of space. This is my, like, everyday kind of, well, this is what I used to use as my everyday makeup holder. It's now where I keep all my Project Pan makeup. I got mine from TK Maxx for about £12. You can still get them in TK Maxx usually, but you can also get similar ones in B&M's really cheap. I think I saw a few maybe slightly smaller for about £5, or you can get ones about this size for about £10. They're available on Amazon. I'll try and link a few. But this is really handy for keeping things organised. This guy in the corner is my beauty cube. I got him from Amazon about almost 3 years ago now. It cost me about £60-65. I'll link it in the info box. It's the best beauty storage decision I ever freaking made. like, I have one of those big floor shelving units that had 7 drawers. My makeup was in there and still spilling out. It all fits in this one countertop storage unit. It's amazing. It fits a ridiculous amount of makeup, like a ridiculous. I do need to get everything out and clean the actual unit, but I'll do that at a later stage. I might do a dedicated video on that so I can show you how much stuff actually fits in it. But yeah, if you are looking for the best makeup storage for large makeup collections and you don't want an Alex system, get one of these guys. It's freaking amazing. So I've got my counter all wiped down. I'm going to start putting everything back, and I need to clean out my everyday, like my Project Pan makeup storage unit, and then I will get everything away. This is just a quick surface clean. I do need to go back and like actually do a soapy wash clean with these things, but I'll do that at a later point. Just need to get this a quick clean just now.